Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your Wallapop pop-up. So all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down. Then you click here on apps and you come to apps list. Then here can you looking for Wallapop pop-up, or just click here on search. Then here add Wallapop. So then you click on, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then you come to this list, click here on force stop. Then you click here on OK. Then you go down, click here on storage. So then you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone and start it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.